This video will show you how to add background music to a video in Premiere Pro. So you can see I've got my video file, I've also got my audio background music. We're going to go ahead and create a project and I'll show you how you can add this, how you can cut off the edges, and essentially how you can add the background music seamlessly. So open up Premiere Pro, go to new project, and then create your project. I'll just call this example video, something like that. And then once you are in Premiere Pro, you should see a layout similar to this. Make sure you're on Window, Workspaces, Editing. You then should get this window. Now there are a couple of ways that you can now get your clips into Premiere. The easiest way, to be honest, is just to find your video files. You can then highlight them, and then you can simply either drag them onto the timeline or you can drag them in the project here. So if you're on the project window, you can drag them straight in, or again the timeline. Now once you've got them both on, you will see you've got your video here, you've also got your audio here. Now here are some quick tips, because you are going to need to know these keyboard shortcuts and you are going to need to know how to actually use Premiere to do this. So to zoom in and out on Premiere, you can go ahead and click, and wherever this blue cursor is, you have to click up here by the way, where the numbers are. Wherever this is, if you click plus on the keyboard, it's going to zoom in. If you click minus, it's going to zoom out. That allows you to make sharp edits, right? Now what we can do with this video, if we don't want the background of the video and we just want to use the background music, we can right click, we can unlink, and that's going to unlink the audio from the video. We can click on the audio, then we can click delete on the keyboard. So now the audio track has gone. Now let's go ahead and drag on the music. So we can go ahead and drag from the left or to the right, and you can essentially trim the start and the end. And again, don't forget to zoom in and out to make precise cuts. Now that's going to obviously allow you to choose what part of the song you want. If you want a part in the middle, click where you want the audio to start. Then you need to go ahead and use the cut tool. So it is here, or you can click C on the keyboard. So either click this or C, cut, and then obviously find the endpoint, click cut. Then if you click back on the selection tool, or by clicking V on your keyboard, we'll do that. You can then click on any of the others that you don't want and then click delete, and you can essentially then add your video to your audio track and just make sure that everything is kind of like snapped together. And that's all you've got to do. You can then export this. So how do we export it? So go to the start of your clip, click I on the keyboard, that's going to mark the in point, then go near the end, click O on the keyboard, that's going to mark the out point. Then you can drag this all the way to the end so it snaps and you show Premiere what your actual clip is. Then you want to go File in the top left hand corner, go Export, Media, and then we can go ahead and export this. Make sure you're in H.264 if you want to do anything online, you want to upload this to the internet. Then choose a location, I'll just whack it in my downloads. We'll then click Export. And once this has exported, we can then go ahead and just check that it's worked. So if we go to the downloads folder, we can then open this here. And there you go, we've now added the video track and the audio track together. I hope that helped.